Hi guys, I am Deepa. I'm the founder and CEO of Journyz from Zinda. So excited to have you here, checking out the distributed theme Journeys. So now this is really all about, are you as a leader satisfied with your remote team's productivity? So we probably have a lot of systems, right? And the question is, are your teams overwhelmed with these systems, or are those systems doing what they're supposed to do? So now Journeys is really a way, it's a one-stop shop where you can actually have multiple systems in one place. You have your communication, collaboration, feedback, recognition, polls, goals, tasks, and you wrap all of these around with a layer of social and gamification and fun to make it easy for people to participate, and make it easy for leaders to engage their people and make them productive in a very easy, fun kind of fashion. Right. So what I'm going to show you is a couple of things. Journeys has a web and mobile portion to it. You're actually in the web portion. So what you would see is you're seeing this screen is what you're seeing. You probably cannot see some of these screens because I have already logged in, and you will be able to see it once there is a button here that says try the demo, right? And you click on that and enter your information, and then after you set up your ID and password, this is the screen that you'd be able to see. So what I want to show is that Journey does a lot of screens, but the first screen is really the activity feed of everything that we have going on. As I mentioned earlier, you can do a lot of things with Journeys, and you can actually, digitize your strategies with Journeys. But what we have set up here is these categories. We have a community category, which actually has everything that is visible to everybody in the organization, right? It could be things like, updating everybody, peer recognition. Here is a fun thing of work from home in the time of Corona, where you're just sending, pictures and captions and things like that, a way for the teams to get to know each other a little better, right? Messaging each other, asking a question the teams can answer. Again, for everybody in the system. So let me actually just get into one of them. So just getting into one of them, this is for to act on anything, always a plus button. Okay, guys, always a plus button. So you click here, and this is what we've set up. This is what I was saying earlier, where you are actually digitizing some of the processes. So here is where, hey, here is a picture that best represents you. I don't know. Here is a picture that best represents me. A brief background. I am the CEO of Journeys. Emojis. A little nerdy. Here's my emoji. What would you like to do outside of work? Your favorite vacation spot, your sports team. If you win the lottery, what would you be doing? So all of these things it is just what we have set up. You can set up whatever you would like. Just a way for you to get to know the teams a little better, right? I'm coming out of that. Now, when we go back out, uh, again, the community is everything that is visible for everybody in the organization. Collaboration is something that is visible. You can set it up so that it's visible only for a team, right? I mean, you don't necessarily need to collaborate across the entire company. So these things are visible only across your team. So this one is, you can set up again however you like. The template that we have is a simple template. It is here is a task assigned. What is it about? Owner of the task, the priority of the task, when does it have to be done by, any pictures, and that's it. Right? And then you say done, and that's how you would end it. I'm just going to cancel out of it right now. And then you'll see a list of all the items. Then there are other things like the board views and things like that, where you can actually get a lot more information about, you can see Kanban boards and all other kind of fun stuff for this task. And now coming back to it, this is community, this is team. You can do something that is confidential, right? Confidential polls and surveys. Here is a quick engagement survey kind of question. So this is just a fun engagement survey where, hey, I'm satisfied with my company, I'm provided the tools, etc., right? So you can actually give a confidential answer to the survey. So this is something that you can have it at any given point of time. Here is an open poll and survey. So this actually might be where you want everybody to see what's going on. So you can do something like that. Here is a fun thing with wellness. Here is a wellness survey. Here is some self-improvement fun challenges that you can have the team do. And here is one which is a suggestion box. Again, there are lots and lots of templates that are available in Journeys. We just set up these ones for the distributor team just so that you can get a flavor for what is available. So now the same thing is available on the app also. And I'm just going to quickly show my phone screen. So if you take a look at the phone screen, it is very similar kind of things. The first page that you see is the activity feed, where you can see the activities that are happening, right? And then if you click on the next page, you can see the various categories and what are available in the various categories. Then there is a personal dashboard, which the same thing is there on the web as well. You have notifications, you have all kind of things, right? So again, this is just a quick preview of what is available in Journeys so that you can actually get in, so you can get into the demo org and then test it out, and you can actually interact. You can interact with other people in this demo org as well. You can certainly interact with me. Have a good day and hope to see you inside the demo org. Bye.